North Carolina consumers and companies are bracing for the impact of a cyber attack on oil and gas prices. Georgia-based Colonial Pipeline says it was hit by ransomware, an attack this weekend that has the company scrambling to regain full control of the network. The pipeline transfers nearly half of all fuel along the East Coast, including for us here in North Carolina. Experts believe airline companies could feel the impact the most, but if the problem isn't resolved quickly, we could see prices at the pump surging by 10 to 30 cents. Right now, the average price for gas in the Triangle in central North Carolina is just above $2.70.